Hi, I am Tashmita. We are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the 75th year of Indian independence. India was under British rule from 1757, Battle of Plassey, to 1947. After a prolonged and series of incidents, we saw the light of freedom in 1947, August 15th. There was series of dissatisfaction rose against British before 1857. There was Sannyasi rebellion, Kond rebellion, Pike rebellion and other small incidents of dissatisfaction happened and suppressed successfully by the British. The first struggle of Indian independence is an organized way was the Great Indian Revolt of 1857. The leaders were Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah Jaffar, Conwar Singh, Veer Surendra Sai, Nana Saheb, Jhansi Rani and many others fought bravely against British rule. This rebellion transformed the company rule to British government rule. The year 1885 is landmark as the Indian National Congress came into existence. It paved the way towards freedom. The Swadeshi movement under the leadership of Bal Gangadhar Tilak began across the country to boycott foreign goods and use of own product as Swadeshi. The prominent nationalist leaders of first phase were Lal Bal Pal, Aravind and many others. The second stage of our freedom struggle movement was more significant with the presence of Gandhi's. The policy of non-violence civil disobedience led towards our goal. Pioneers of Indian intellectuals such as Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya, Sarojini Naidu, Kasturba Gandhi, Subramanyam Bharati, B.R. Ambedkar and others championed towards our cause some acts of British like Rawat Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacres gave birth to radical leaders like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar, Sukhdev and others. Great patriot Subhash Chandra Bose allied himself with Axis power and led Azad Hind Fauj to achieve independence. The Congress led by Gandhi, Patel, Nehru, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B.R. Ambedkar and other eminent leaders fought against British with non-violence. At last the constant struggle against the colonial culminated in the Indian Independence Act 1947. The Governor General of India, Louis Mountbatten, declared the partition of India on 3rd June 1947. According to Indian Independence Act, at 11:57 midnight on 14th August, Pakistan was created as a separate nation. On 15th August, at 12:02 am, India was declared as an independent nation. Finally, on this historic day, the colonial rule came to an end. The first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Tiranga for the Red Fort of Delhi and said, "Long years ago, we made tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measures, but very substantially at the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps. India will awake to life and freedom." Jai Hind.